And here you have the same situation. 78, 79 penta, top is totally gone. Base is still fine, it's been treated. There is over 72 of these in this one neighborhood. Not a good sign. Here's a good example. 1978 penta, the base is actually fine. Been treated, and look what we have. A dead end, probably going to pull itself through in a few years. We have penta, base has been treated, no bracing, but look what we have on the top. We have a dangerous situation. Hey everyone, what you just seen in that video is one neighborhood. This one neighborhood was built between 78 and 1980. It has over 70 bad pole tops we have found. The utility company can change out every one of those poles if they like. That's a huge liability right now. Construction costs, you're looking at $3,000 to $4,000 per pole, or you could simply install our system, which is a front plate 20-inch plate and a rear 30-inch plate. Bolt them on, install a couple additional bolts at the base. You would totally structurally secure those poles, add one of our rubberized caps, the poles completely restored. You'd never have to worry about the tops of those. You could do this at a fraction of the cost. You're looking at a couple $100 in parts, and time 20 minutes per pole. All those bases, if you noticed on those poles, also have been treated. There's no problem with the bases, so why would you replace the pole? If you like what you see, check us out. Bob Butler Pole Life Systems. Thank you.